Hi, Lucy. We're going to meet in the pub for lunch today. Do you want to join us?
No, sorry. Look at all this work. I'm going to be very busy today, so I'll probably get a sandwich and eat it at my desk.
I watched a TV program last night. It said that in the future, robots will do most of the work in offices.
Really? That'll be good.
Yes, but it said that office life will be very different, because the robots won't have normal human emotions.
Lucy, I need 3 copies of the finance report by 11 o'clock.
Okay, Olive. I'll photocopy it now. Robots won't make any difference in this office, Daniel. I've already got one as a boss.
You've had Indian food before, haven't you, Stefan?
No, I haven't. It's very hot and spicy, isn't it?
Some of it is. India's a very big country, so there are lots of different kinds of food.
I don't mind spicy food. What do you recommend?
Well, there's the chicken Kashmiri. That's chicken in a mild and creamy sauce. The sauce is made with pineapples and bananas, so it's quite sweet too.
No, I'm not very fond of bananas.
Have you been waiting long?
No, I haven't. Where's Peter?
He'll be here in a minute. Oh, here he is now.
What's he been doing?
He's been looking for somewhere to park.
Sorry we're late.
It's okay. I haven't been waiting long. Anyway, I've been reading this book. It's called Improve Your Memory. It's really good.
Oh, right. Well, come on. The show starts in 10 minutes. Have you got the tickets?
The tickets? Oh no! I've forgotten them. I've left them at home.
It's nice weather today. Oh, yes, the weather is just lovely. Let's go out. It's raining, we can't go out. No, the rain has stopped. We can go out now. Is it hot today? No, it's rather cold. It looks like rain. Do you like it when it rains? Yeah, I love it when it rains. Do you like Russian climate? Not really. It's too cold and we don't get much sun. How about California's climate? Oh, yes, the climate in California is very good. It's hot all year around and we get a lot of sun. You're lucky to live in that climate. I went to Egypt last year. Did you like it? It was too hot. Fall and spring are the best time in Egypt. Do you like the climate in Emirates? No, it's too hot and dry. Yeah, also fresh water is a big problem there. Dust is another problem. It's always in the air. Emirates is a good place to travel but it's no good to live. Spring was very cold last year. How about this year? We're lucky this year. We get a lot of sun and it doesn't rain much. Look, there are clouds in the sky. It looks like rain. Yeah, it's windy and the sea is rough. Well, maybe the wind will drop and the sea will calm again. I hope so. My friend moved to England last winter. Why? He got a job offer. What does he think of British climate? He says it's awful. It rains all the time. Spain is one of the most popular travel destinations. Have you ever been there? Only once. Did you like it? Yeah, very much. It was very hot though. How was your last trip to Bali? Oh, it was great. Was it hot? It was very hot. What did you do? In the morning we hung out on the beach and after lunch we hired a car and traveled around. When did you last go to Rome? I went there last month. Was it a business trip? No, it was a cultural trip. We went sighting every day. We saw lots of interesting places and things. How about you? Have you ever been to Rome? No, never, but I'd love to go there one day. It's one of the most exciting places I've ever seen. I strongly recommend. I went on a diving trip to Egypt last month. Did you like it? It was fantastic. It was very hot though. I've been to many places but never in Egypt. I strongly recommend. The sea is beautiful there. You can do snorkeling for hours. Where did you go? This time it was Greece. How long did you stay there? 10 days. What did you do? We traveled through the islands. What island did you like best? Crete was the most exciting place. I'd love to go there again. I'm looking for a warm black sweater. Okay, have a look at this one, ma'am. Can I try it on? Sure, the fitting rooms are over there. If you need a different size, let me know. I like it. I think I'll buy it. How would you like to pay? I'll pay with my credit card. Hello, ma'am. Hello. I'm looking for a nice jersey dress. What color do you have in mind? Black or brown? What size do you wear? 44. How about this dress? Do you like it? Oh, it's beautiful. I think I'll try it on. Okay, the fitting rooms are over there. How does that fit? I like the color, but the dress is too loose, I'm afraid. Could you get me a smaller size, please? No problem. I'll get you a 42. How is it? Great. I think I'll take it. Hello, I'm looking for high heels. How about these shoes here? Oh, they look nice. Can I try them on? What size shoes do you wear? 38. This is 38. How do they fit? Too tight. I need a bigger size. Hold on, I'll get you a 39. What colors are in fashion this season? Deep red and gray. Hello, how may I help you? Hi, I bought this shirt from your store but I'd like to return it. Any particular reason? It's the wrong size. Okay, do you want to exchange it or return it? I'd like to return it. Do you have the receipt with you? Here it is. Thank you. I see you paid cash. Would you please sign here? Here is $52 you paid. Thank you very much. Hello, how are you? Good, thanks. How may I help you? I bought this sweater for my husband 2 days ago, but it's the wrong color. Okay, do you want to exchange it or return it? I'd like to exchange it, please. Certainly. Now please leave this sweater here. Go get the right color and we'll exchange it. Thank you. I like your watch. Do you really? I like it too. I got it in a duty-free when I was flying from Paris. It looks expensive. How much did you pay? It was on sale. I only paid 300 euros. The original price was 490. That's a good buy. That's a nice watch. Do you really like it? It's wonderful. Thank you. Where did you get it? I got it in Rome. I like your dress. Is it new? Yes, it is. Do you really like it? I like it a lot. Thanks much.